Okay, everyone, never ever tamper with fire alarms. The reason why you never tamper with fire alarms is because they are only for emergencies. They are not meant to be played with. So people don't ever mess with them. The thing I like about this alarm is that it has a sealed candela, a sealed volume, a sealed pattern, and a sealed tone. So it is harder for people like kids to mess around with it, which is nice. But still, never take the plate off the alarm. You never paint the alarm. You never unscrew the alarm off the wall. You never screw it in more. And if the alarm were multi-candela, multi-tone, multi-pattern, and multi-volume, never adjust the candela, the volume, the pattern, or tone on the alarm. You never take the fire lettering off the alarm. You never take the logo off the alarm. And if the fire alarm is a EST Genesis, never cross out the image of the running man escaping from the fire, and never take that image out of the alarm. Never do any of that. That is not good. If any of you are watching this video and you are giggling about it, you have to stop, because this is very serious. Whenever you hear this thing go, that means it's telling you that there is a fire and you have to evacuate. What if you decide to pull the fire alarm for fun? Guess what? You can get in so much trouble that you can even get arrested, because there could be another emergency somewhere else, and instead of the fire department going to that real emergency, the fire department will have to go to this false emergency, which is even worse. And people are dying. So never ever tamper with fire alarms. They made this alarm so it's harder for kids to mess around with, which I like. If you pull the fire alarm for fun, that is actually illegal. If you pull the fire alarm for fun in school, you are actually going to get expelled for that, you know. I never did this before, but one time some of you pulled the fire alarm. And they learned their lesson, and they were told not to do it again. They didn't get in trouble because they were very young at the time. Now they are older. If you are older and you pull the alarm, you are definitely going to get arrested, because it is not a toy.